Hello there, welcome to Tere Technique. We have this Porsche Cayenne today, and this is from like 2010 model to 16 17 year model. This car came. This car is probably with PCM 3.1. Here you can see this is the old unit that we removed from the car. As you can see, this one is the PCM head unit that comes from factory. This one has a little bit problem within its hard disk, so instead of repairing or updating, the customer has replaced into an Android screen with the 12 inches bigger display and the HD screen. You can check the resolution of the display, it's very beautiful. Plus we removed its AC vents as well. So here you can see these air vents we removed, and the air vents are moved in the bottom of the screen here, so there is no loss of the airflow. It's almost same in the back side of the screen. You can check on the website the pictures as well on our website. It's almost the same inlet that is made first of like this, and then again it's moved towards this frame in the bottom of the screen for like to show the representation of the new models of Cayenne. So first of all, here is the screen. We have connected I have connected my mobile phone with this screen as well via Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. First of all, here you can see we have this some home menu. You can change these themes as well, so it's we have lots of theme options as well in the App Store. They are right now, it's not connected in the internet, but we can I will show you later on. Then I have, first of all, I have this speed app, which is showing a little bit speed with the GPS while driving. Here is the mobile phone. You can connect mobile phone. Right now it's not connected because it's using Apple CarPlay. Then we have some songs. So car has the Bose sound system, and you will not lose the sound quality. We have not clipped or we have not removed the Bose amplifier, so we have it's connected with the fiber decoder, and with the fiber decoder the sound is traveling to all the amplifier and again so on to the all the speakers. We have the radio app here, so this is the radio that works. Then if I go to home menu, then we have some files. Here you can adjust the files. This screen has the 64 gigabyte memory, so you can adjust, copy, delete files. You can do anything in the car. Here we have some videos. You can watch videos as well while driving. So here is the video. I will show you on the full screen.
All right, let's get to work.
Hey Roman, you freaking out?
No. Yes, you are.
So it will not stop while driving, it will continuously showing video while driving as well. So then we have some assistant option. This is the Google Assistant. It's listening right now. Here we have some equalizer. The screen has a DSP as well, so you can change the some DSP settings. You can connect the subwoofer as well with the screen. The screen has the RC cables for subwoofers. Then we have some other options, like this is the navigation shortcut. This is the navigation app pre-installed, and it's the Google. You can download any kind of other navigation as well. I will later on install the Waze, the Waze and the offline iGo maps. Here we have the Chrome. I will allow it without internet. So then we have some settings. Here are the settings: Wi-Fi settings, SIM card settings, phone settings, some other settings. So that's the settings menu. If we tap on here, we have some other apps: App Store, aux, Bluetooth, calculator, CarLink. This is the Apple CarPlay app. Right now my iPhone is connected, so you can see how beautiful is the representation in the car of the screen. The screen is sitting exactly on its place. There is no gap, nothing. It's totally model compatible for the Porsche Cayenne. And the only thing that is not compatible is like when we have removed this PCM unit. So there is a PCM unit is connected with this small display. Here is the small display connector, and this connector goes here in this small screen. So for example, here is the karta, we say the maps in Swedish. So here you can see it's saying ingen bild signal, like no video signal. That means that it is not getting the video from this PCM. This little screen or this navigation that is showing here is designed to be connected or to show like to work with PCM. So our screens or all aftermarket screens right now, they don't have the compatibility with this display, this small display. There is another screen that needs to connect with this PCM in front of PCM. You have to remove this unit, this front display, and you can install Android screen here. Then you can get the PCM functions or this function as well, but that's not the complete bigger size screen, and your PCM must have to be working perfectly for this kind of upgrade. But here in this car we have this PCM damaged. That's why we removed the PCM and installed this kind of upgrade in the car. So here you can see we have all the applications that are available on our iPhone. Here we have Google Waze, Google Maps, all kind of navigations available here. Here is the maps, for example. You can say the dollar store is showing. We have parking stations, restaurant, coffee shops. Here, for example, I tap on the coffee. So here is the espresso house. We will write for go. So it will start while I will drive the car. So that's the map. This is the Apple original map. We have messages, now playing, back, podcast, audiobooks, Easy Park, Google Maps, all kind of maps here. We have Waze as well, Teams, Swedish Radio. We have the Swedish Radio app as CarPlay. You can listen your favorite music here on the radio directly, live connected. So you can listen the podcast as well. So all the options are available here. Then we have at the last some other applications. All the applications that supports Apple CarPlay will appear in the CarPlay menu. On tapping the back button, we will go back to the CarPlay. Then we have the other applications like Chrome. We have steering wheel controls, we have equalizer, we have file manager, gallery, Google, we have maps, we have a music player, we have the navigation shortcut, we have the guide. This is the user guide. You can check any kind of information you need to adjust the settings, setup logo, Bluetooth, radio, home operations. Pretty much everything is available here. Plus we are also sending the user manuals to our customers, so you can watch the user manual and you can do it like this. Then we have some Play Store. We have like Play Store. From Play Store you can download any kind of application you want to use. Is it YouTube, any other application that you want will work here. Then we have some settings, Topol service, Topol voice assistant, some vehicle settings. Vehicle settings are available here. That works with the you can say with this canvas option. So if your canvas is reading the car, so it will show all the data like this. So you can see here is the data available. On going back again, we have video player. I have shown you earlier. The same app, just difference. We have the YouTube. Right now I will connect my device with this Wi-Fi. So to show you how this YouTube or other features work, right now I will turn off the Bluetooth. To turn off the CarPlay, we will go to the hotspot. You don't need to turn off the Bluetooth in this car. Actually it works. I can show you. Off is on. Bluetooth we will turn on again. We will go to the Wi-Fi. I have turned on Wi-Fi. You can use either Wi-Fi or you can set the SIM card as well. Here we have installed one SIM card slot. You can insert a SIM card for the internet all the time in your car. Here is the data SIM card option. I got a call on my mobile phone. So here's the USB. One USB is connected with the original port. Here my Wi-Fi is connected. I have connected a little bit earlier. So here is the YouTube. You can watch YouTube, any kind of information from here. So here is the YouTube. For example, we are like searching GTR R35. So like this, volume up.
Präst är absolut min favorit.
So you can see everything is working like YouTube. We have here We have the other video apps as well if you want to download the other applications. So here's the YouTube app that works like this. Then we have some themes as well. You can refresh it. There are all the updates for the device are available here. Car UI, so there are the system apps that you can upgrade. Then there are the themes. Plus with this car we have installed HD Sony camera. We from the factory car has nothing. It's only with sensors. But I will show you like this. Here on putting the car in the reverse, you can just check the quality of this camera. It's super impressive. Plus when I will turn the car back, so it will show the parking sensors here. You can see it works like this. Plus this car has the dynamic lines as well coming via CAN bus. For example, if I put the car in the reverse, so if I turn the steering wheel, so my reverse lines are working. So these are available in the screen, not in the camera. So we will drive back to the parking. Same like back sensor, front sensors are also working. Or if you have the original camera in the car, so it will work automatically without any adapter or anything. So there are the themes options. You can change the themes. You can download themes of pretty much any kind. So there are lots of themes available here. So you can download it from this store. Then there are launchers that you can install. There is pretty much lots of things that you can do in the screen. So that's the video for today. If you have any Porsche Panamera, Cayenne, Porsche Carrera, any kind of Porsche, we have the screens and solutions to upgrade the radio. We have Apple CarPlay. If you don't want to remove the PCM, we have a world's best quality and the latest card for the CarPlay that sits inside this PCM. You have to install it inside PCM to work, and your CarPlay will work with the Bluetooth, not with the aux. So we have the latest and the most advanced Apple CarPlay solution as well. So if you have any questions, queries, you can ask in the description below or the comment. I have the all contact information in description. It's either via email or you can WhatsApp as well. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.